Hello everybody! Today I will be showing you how to screenshot on Mac. Don't forget to like and subscribe. To take a screenshot, you'll need to press a sequence of keys on your keyboard. Press Shift-Command-4. The cursor will change, and then you can drag it across the part of your screen you want to take a screenshot of. For this example, we'll drag it across the entire screen. The screenshot will be saved on your desktop, and you can go into it and change the name of it, and change where it's saved. That's all you have to do to screenshot on Mac. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any suggestions for videos I should make in the future.